Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pek ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, Lumshyiap near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
O Principal Secretary ketenat Plie Puthi ke Sarkar Jilla uba DP Wahlang haga arfunyo tarik uyayong arjar khat khandai ula Plie paj ba yak Shlem Pule Lumshyiap yak bala ai kerteng daga Bellefonte Community College bala penyai taki sister jongga jingya selok Daughters of Mary Help of Christians jongga balang Catholic kapadon Lumshyiap Golfling Shillong. Kajing te yakani ka college haplau jongga Bellefonte kalong ban kentiu yak Pule ka Puthi hagathain golfling bat kishnong ki ba marjan bat khamtam ban ai jing hikai ki samla Pule ki ba wan ki longyeng ki baduk bat ki ba khamduna ka yo ka kot hagjing Plie yakani ka college la sakhi langru dau additional secretary ketenat planning ka Sarkar Jilla uba Cyril V Dengdo u Vicar General ka Jiliniamba jongga Shillong u Father John Madur i Principal jongga Bellefonte Community College i Sister Helen Puweng i Secretary ka College i Sister Christina Karkongor kikme bat kikpa bat kumjur ki khna Pule la pensyong kun ya kani ka sngi da ka jing shat bat ki jing rwai na ki khna school.
You know, initially when this proposal came to the government in education department, it was quite difficult for us because it was at a time, a very critical time, when we decided that we have to put more focus only on government institutions. Why? Because there are some black sheep somewhere across the state from the private sector. When we give them money, when we give them funding under NEC or under the Ministry of Northeastern Region, they misuse the funds. They don't complete the projects. Suppose I've given some money for this project, and they'll spend maybe only half of it, and then a very half-baked structure will come up. So it came at a very critical time when we thought that we'll give only to government institutions for the moment till everything stabilized properly, and this proposal came. And we really had to apply our mind because it was a very good proposal. So how do we go about it? Should we give the money directly to them, and how do we control, people who are not in the government? Because government, at least accountability is there, but outside the government was becoming difficult. Therefore, we have to appreciate the thinking that went into it when we used this concept of a project implementation committee for the first time. It was the first time that we used with this project, the project implementation committee, which was headed by the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills. And Peter Dakhar, PS Dakhar was the DC at the time, and he anchored it very well, and they worked very well together with Sister Helen and her team, and this is the output that we see today in a very, very quick time. So I must congratulate all of them. Excellent work done, and I'm sure that this will benefit the community to a large extent. Unfortunately, Peter is not here, but the crux of this whole project is that the proposal came for about 3.4 crores. So you may wonder why they've spent only 2.99 crores. So 2.99 crores is actually for this building, and the balance went to a sister organization of Bellefonte, which is in Umdolan. So the balance is there. They constructed two buildings actually, one here and one in Umdolan, and that has already been inaugurated. And this is the second one because it's bigger, so it took a little bit more time. But we are happy with the fact that it's come up in double quick time, and it's standing today. I'm also very happy that as not only Principal Secretary of Education, but also as Principal Secretary of Labour, that this institution has come up because in Labour Department and in the Skills Development Society that I head as the CEO, we lay a lot of focus on vocational studies, vocational education and skill development. Knowledge is one part, whereas skills is the other part. You may be very, very knowledgeable, but you may not have any skill at all. Or you may not be knowledgeable, but you have a lot of skill. So to get the right mix and match of the right knowledge and the right skill, it is important to have institutions like these. And this institution has done yeoman service in the last so many years that they cater to the dropouts, and many of them are from the lower strata of the income level of the society, and the contribution really cannot be quantified. As I stand here today to think about it, it just cannot be quantified. So humongous, so huge the contribution has been. And in the skill space, as I was mentioning just now, we have a lot of tie-ups. We tie up with DB Tech for hospitality, for retail, for hotel management, all that, and we tie up also not only with DB Tech. We tie up with the Bethany Society. We tie up with RRTC, which is an Umran. So I hope that when we start the second phase of this supporting human capital project that we have, even Bellefonte Community College also will come forward and have some program work together with us in the government. Not only that, I would also request Sister Helen or anyone from the community, from the church side also, to give proposals which are as good, as robust as this proposal. We feel proud from the government when we see, because it's a partnership after all. The money comes from the government, but then the implementation is done by you. We feel proud that something solid, something concrete has come like this, and in very quick time. So we request that you give more proposals that will benefit the community at large. We would be very, very happy moving forward to fund more such proposals.
Natural landscape and beautiful environment, and we know how much tourism has been providing to this economy of our state. And in this sector also we need a lot of training, lot of vocational skills, lot of training for building our human resource capacity. If community is at the center of the BCC, indeed for tourism also, the community is the most important stakeholder. To give an example, in the villages, in some of the villages, we have the village tourism cooperative societies that have been established, where the community comes together to plan for tourism, to build tourism as one of the crucial aspects of the economy of the village. And this is indeed a very beautiful model because it is sustainable. It protects our natural environment and it showcases our culture, our food, our traditions. Likewise, I'm sure that this college can contribute to this sector by designing courses that contribute to the tourism or other sectors which require and which are at the need of the community. The success of this college has been catering to the needs of the society, catering to the needs of the community, and it is built on that foundation. And I'm sure that in the coming years, keeping in mind the needs of the community, various vocational courses, various academic courses, counseling, and all effort to build an inclusive community will be taken up here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Open.
Yeah. सांसों की तुझ में रवानी मैं ना